Hello, it's Andrew24Wow here, and today I have a nice video here, and it's going to be how to set up your 1.3.2 Bukkit server. I'm going to try to make it the easiest as possible, because it might be hard in your case, it might not be, because it's just really, it varies. So what you're going to need to go to is bukkit.org. Put all the important details in the description so it'll be more easier for you guys. And you're going to download the #1 recommended build, and it will be more easier if you're on the same version of the recommended build, which is 1.3.1. Wait, what? There should be a... Well, they haven't updated yet. Oh, well, just get this one, because I don't think there's that... Oh, shit. I discarded it. So get whatever recommended build, since you're not gonna be on the same date as when you create your server. What else are you going to need? You're gonna need this code. Where is it? Chat bucket. Well, I didn't know about this stuff. Like half of this stuff. What is this? I'm just gonna get one. You can get chat bucket, whatever that is, either, because I have no idea what that is. Scrap home. What? I have no idea. Maybe they started a new type of thing. Once you're at the Bukkit forum, say get craftbukkit, and what code you're gonna need is these 3 or 5 or 10 or 12 codes. This will be a tutorial for all types of different OSs / computers. Okay. And once that is downloaded, you must create a new file. Name it server, since it's gonna be your server file. This is where you install your plugins, etc. And what you're gonna do is you're going to well, get the jar, drag it wherever you want, but then drag in your folder which has server, have it in there ready. Key step is renaming it, because you cannot have it as that or the console will not recognize it. Craft bucket only. Don't put 1.3 or etc. Don't do that stuff. What are you gonna else? Oh crap! Well, I think go bukkit.org, and what we're gonna need. Wow, creepy. We're gonna need to create a new text document. You can go right click in the folder, whatever, and go to text document and don't call it anything, just edit it. What you're gonna drag in here, this is where these codes come in. Now this is the part where it gets diverse in different OSs, because here's the Windows code, Mac OS, and Linux, right there. So for Windows, here we go. This is the standard code. This is just standard. If you're running Java 7, you put this one. And if you're 64-bit machine, which means if you go here, computer system properties, and it says 64-bit operating system, that means you're 64-bit. So then that's where you make a little bit of difference or change. Since I'm running Java 7 already, I'm gonna type copy it. I think I'm running Java 7, I'm not too sure, but if it doesn't work for me, then it's just for me because I made a simple error. But what you're gonna need, it says right there, change the program files, so just copy that. So there you go. So instead of this, Command V and save as, and what we're gonna type is run dot bat. Simple as that. I don't know what all files, I think. Shit, I think I did something wrong. Oh crap. And you should get this. and it should work. Just wait for it to load, and you got it. And you should get normal messages as starting up Minecraft server version 1.3.1. It creates a file. You get random errors because it is first startup. It's not really that used to your computer, and so yeah, you get the spawn, the world, etc. I don't know what craft chat is or anything, so if I didn't put that, I'm sorry. Just say it in the comments because I haven't been keeping up with Bukkit. And after it's done, type stop. Oh, well, I guess they have a new thing. And the reason why you don't type /stop is because the console does not configure the slash. So yeah, just put stop for basically all your commands you do in the console. We have permissions, this Bukkit, which is, and server file. This is the file that's most important to your server. Well, not really. Your world is, and your plugins folder. I have no idea what half this stuff is. Okay, now it comes to the connectivity part. Since I want to do it the easiest way possible, I'm gonna use Hamachi, and it is easier for you, but for the people who want to join the server, it's like the most hardest thing. So, yeah. I'll go to securelogbin.hamachi.com, download AXPX. Click on manage, it's totally free, yes. Oh, crap. Because I think I just downloaded Hamachi. And once you should get a file there, you got the server file, everything's configured. You might need to put some plugins and stuff like that. But right now we need Hamachi first of all if we're going to connect to our server. It is recommended to do port forwarding. Let me just simplify it for you guys. There are 3 different options for your server to be Wi-Fi connective, so other people can join and you too. They're actually been deleted. 3 stuff are you can buy a VPS, virtual private server. It's a hosted thing. You have to pay money, obviously, but it is top of the line computer. It's not your simple desktop. It's a Linux, Windows Server 2008 R2, and stuff like that you wouldn't understand unless you know a lot about computers, obviously. So yeah, I'm just saying that there's so I'm just saying there's a lot of stuff that or stupid stuff. So that's the first one, which is a VPS, you can call it, or a hosting company. There's a lot of them. So after you got this, and make your own name, create, and you should be good to go. And once you got this stuff going, what you're gonna do is very simple. Allow always, because it's not gonna hurt your computer. It's a company. Create a new network. Let's just call it server test. And there's a lot of networks, so let's just put some random numbers. Password. Create your own password. There you go. What you're gonna do now, since it's only 5 slots, and copy PV4 address. Click server IP, that one. Save, and run your server again. Now you have a connected LAN, not necessarily LAN, and it's running on that port and server. And let's just check if we can actually join the game. Direct connect. That's the IP. And perfect. We're connected. Now, what we do is simple. For your friends to join, it's a little harder for them. They need Hamachi. They need to get this program. They need to have it installed. what they're going to do is click network, join a new network, tell them your password, your ID, which is server test, yeah, la la la, blah blah blah, and then join that network, and then get the IP, done. They're joined. They're connected, always. Thing about Hamachi is you can have not you can't really have a lot of networks, so you can't really have a lot of people on your server. It's just gonna be like more of a private server. And if you're looking for more people, not really a 24/7 server, you should port forward. And that's my point to the third one, port forward or Hamachi. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.